Longevity in prayers? I bet you hear many preachers talk about how long they pray and you found it so unbelievable because what can you be possibly telling God for that long hours? Let me quickly address this in this brief article. Long prayers does not necessarily means powerful prayers. The drives that is the motive behind your prayers matters. I will make a reference to one or two scriptural occasion. Luke 20:46, the Scribe Bible describes this people wearing long robes and they pray for long, but they do all of that for public showcase, which means the motive is wrong. Then another occasion was in Luke 22. Jesus prays more intensive, means he probably prays for long hours, and the prayers are genuine. How then do you pray? You can't pray for long without having his spirit. Human has no capacity to meet up with the standard of God when it comes to prayers. Romans 8:26. We know not how to pray as we ought to. The Spirit help us to pray, maketh intercession with prayers that cannot be uttered in words. You will need his Spirit to pray aright or to pray longer. It's the offspring of his Spirit produced by your intimacy with the Holy Ghost. Ask God to release his Spirit upon you, Luke 11:16. Then you will begin to operate in the supernatural.